What's going on, everybody? So have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but you're scared to get on camera? Well, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day uploading YouTube videos without ever creating a video and uploading other people's videos, guys. This is 100% legal. I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys. If you are new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can grow on YouTube, how to make money online, and how to start an online business. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I want to talk about this method. So this is actually what I first did when I started my channel back in 2018. Now, I started this channel as a gaming channel. I was re-uploading Fortnite videos because, you know, Fortnite was a big trend, and I was using other people's videos as my own. Okay, now this is 100% legal, and anyone can do this. So let me show you what it is. Okay, first of all, what this is called Creative Commons. Okay, so what it allows you to do is upload someone else's YouTube video as your own. Okay, so you can change up the description, the thumbnail, the title. You can change up everything, and it's 100% legal. You can see here, this is an article straight from Google. You can see here, Creative Commons provides a standard way for content creators to grant someone else's permission to use their work. Okay, so YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with Creative Commons license. Okay, so if there's a video that says Creative Commons, you can literally download that video and re-upload it as yourself. Now, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with this process, and you know, like the proper way to do this to get more views and more subscribers, and how you guys can make money. Now, there's two ways that you can make money with this program. So guys, make sure to watch the whole video. I'm going to show you exactly how this worked. Okay, now let me show you something here. There's a channel called Top 5S. Okay, and what this channel does, they have like top 5 videos on like whatever, like top 5 scary moments, top 5 this, top 5 that. So their channel is all about top 5. So it's a compilation channel. So what they're doing is they're literally using this method. They're getting a ton of videos and then they're re-uploading as themselves. You can see here, here's some of their videos here. Users' most recent videos, top 5 disturbing internet mysteries. So yeah, there's a ton of things that you can do with this, but I just want to show you how much money they're making here. Okay, so you can see based on this Social Blade here, you can see they're making up to $279,000 per year. Now this isn't very accurate. I want to paint a more accurate picture for you guys. Okay, so you can see here their daily average is about 200,000 views. So let's do some quick math. Okay, so if you guys know what CPM is, if you don't know what it is, it's basically how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. Now the average CPM is about $5. Okay, so based on that, let's just kind of do a quick calculation. Okay, so if they get about 200,000 views per day and divide that into CPM, which is 1,000, okay, let's just times that by 5, okay, which is the average CPM. It varies from channel to channel, but let's just say that's the average. Okay, I actually have on my channel, I have a $50 CPM, but that's because I talk about online business and how to make money online, stuff like that. So I have a $50 CPM. Let's just say worst case $5 for these guys here. Okay, so they're making $1,000 a day, guys. That's a lot of money. Now, to make $100 a day, you only need 20,000 views per day. And I know it might sound like a lot at first, but I'm going to show you how you can get these views. No worries, okay? But anyways, if we do 20,000, divide that by 1,000, which is the CPM, that's 20, and then times that by 5, it's $100 a day, okay? Now, like I said, it really depends on the CPM. Like I said, I have a $50 CPM, which is really, really high, okay? So it just depends. I'm just saying this is the worst case, okay? So $5 CPM. So anyways, I'll talk about that more later and how you can make money online, okay? So anyways, let's go to YouTube and let's talk about how you actually make this work, okay? So if you go to, let's just say you want to make a channel on fitness, you don't want to get on camera, you can go to YouTube and type in fitness workouts. Now, what I would do if I were you guys is get like the top 5 fitness workouts, top 10, whatever you want to do, and make a channel about that. Now, what you do here is you type in whatever you're trying to upload as your own, but this is important. You have to go to filter, and then you got to hit Creative Commons. Okay, now any of these videos here, okay, any of these videos, obviously this is an ad here, so don't use that one. But any of these videos here, you can literally download these videos, guys, and re-upload them as yourself, okay, as your own video, okay. But anyways, you can do that with anything. You can do that with like top 5 funny videos, top 5 gaming videos, top 10. These type of channels do very well, okay. Any type of compilation video, okay. You can see here top 5 military fails compilation. There's top 10 famous funny car commercials. I mean, this one here I would probably look at redoing because this has almost 500,000 views. So it's proven to do very well, okay? And I believe I have Creative Commons on here. Yeah, so any of these videos here, you can literally download and re-upload. But what I would do, guys, is download, like, let's just say 10 of these here, or let's just say 5 of these, or 3 of them, whatever you want to do. You get the YouTube URL, you go to a website called youtubemate.com, put in the URL, and you can literally download the whole video. Now, what most people do is they upload that same video to YouTube. Now, that's okay. You can do that. But if you want to do very well, you have to put in a little bit of work and edit it, okay? Edit out like what you don't want, edit out like your own type of thing, and make it your own video, your own music. And guys, you're going to do very, very well with this method, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how you get the views and how you actually make money with this, okay? So the way you do it is you have to have 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. What that means is that means you become a YouTube partner. Once you become a YouTube partner, YouTube will start putting ads on your videos, and that's how you make the money. That's what I was showing here with the CPM, okay? Is once you have a certain amount of views and a certain amount of subscribers, you can start making the money, okay? So that's your first goal, is to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 YouTube subscribers. I actually have a ton of videos, guys, where I show you how to get YouTube monetized and how it works. So I don't want to go too in depth with this video here, but I do have some videos on YouTube monetization if you want to check that out, okay? I'll actually link that down below. All right, so the second way to make money, guys, is with affiliate marketing. So if we go back here to this fitness video that I found, okay, this guy here, it's a Creative Commons video. You can see here all the equipment they use, but all this stuff here, guys, is affiliate offers. So this is stuff that, if people click on this link and they buy, they actually make money, okay? That's actually how I make money. Now, obviously, I do my own videos now. I don't do Creative Commons anymore. But, when I first started, when I had my gaming channel back in the day, I had, like, gaming affiliate marketing offers, like, gaming, what's it called? Gaming links. I had gaming software, like anything like that had to do with gaming. I would, like, just throw it in the YouTube description, and people would go and buy from that, okay? Because I was getting a ton of views, a ton of traffic. So the first way is, become a YouTube partner, and the second way is affiliate marketing. You can do both. And guys, I highly recommend that you do both. Affiliate marketing, like I said, is how I make my money online, but you need the traffic, and this is how you do it with YouTube. YouTube's very, very powerful, and if you can create a channel like this, then you can definitely make some good money. And like I said, it has to be Creative Commons, guys. It can't, like, you can't just do this with any video. It has to be Creative Commons, so you have to double check that. You can, if you want to double check, you can go to the actual video here, and if you scroll to the bottom, not this one here. Let me go to, I think it was top 5 fitness YouTubers. Right here, it says license Creative Commons. So it says reuse allowed. So it has to be Creative Commons. If it's not, then don't mess with it. Your YouTube channel will be shut down, okay? So just disclaimer there. But it is 100% legal to do it. Like I said, it says YouTube actually has an article saying that you can do this, okay? But the best way would just be download the videos, cut them up, and make them your own video, and I promise you're gonna do very, very well. Now, last thing here, guys, is you have to make sure your videos are SEO based, okay? So that means you have to have a good title and a good description so your videos show up #1 on Google or YouTube, okay? And if you don't know how to do this, I actually have a playlist here. If you go to my channel, if you go to my playlist, I'll actually link this down below as well. But I have a playlist here ranking my YouTube videos and using YouTube SEO. I have a whole playlist on how you can do this. I have 12 videos. It's pretty much a whole course on how to rank videos at the top of Google, okay, or YouTube. Very, very important to know that, because if you can make a really good video, but people aren't seeing it, you're not going to get paid, you're not going to get the views, and you're not going to get the subscribers. So very important that you know how to rank videos. So I have a whole playlist dedicated to YouTube and how to grow on YouTube. With that, okay? And then obviously the last thing here is to have a really, really good thumbnail, guys. A thumbnail that sticks out, something that pops, something colorful. And if you can make that happen, your videos will be shown on top. People will click through, and you're going to get a ton of views and a ton of subscribers, and you guys can hopefully make some money. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I know there's a lot that I talked about in this video, but guys, don't just watch this video and don't take action. Like, a lot of people will watch videos like this and they won't take any action. This is literally how I started my channel until I got the courage to actually get on video. Like literally I did this, okay? I made a Fortnite gaming channel back in the day, like, well, a year and a half ago. And I finally understood that, okay, YouTube's very powerful. So I just got, I became brave and I started my channel. But yeah, I mean, you can definitely do this and never get on camera. You never have to show your face. So this is a great method to start making some money. Anyone can do this with any niche. Like this is like legit, okay? If you guys have any questions, guys, let me know down below. And guys, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I hope this video was of value. And if you want to learn how I make money online, guys, click the first link in the description. That will take you to a 15-day business builder challenge that will take you through and how to start your online business the right way and how you can start making a ton of money online. So anyways, guys, we'll talk to you guys soon.